Hello again. It's Mr. Frederick, math guy and mathematician. And here today, we're going to talk about basic algebra, a very interesting topic in math, but also one of the most feared. Okay, so I have two problems here, one-step problem and also a two-step problem. So we're going to go over both of them, and we're going to see the troubles that students have when solving them. Okay, so first off, let's start off with number one. Now, number one is a basic one-step algebra problem. Now, to approach this problem, students will see that it's at 3x equals 6. And basically what you have to understand is you have a number, and this x represents a variable that is unknown. You don't know the variable yet. And it's equal to 6. So the point is you need to find this unknown variable. The way this is written is telling you like this. This is 3 times x equals 6. Okay? So in order to get this x by itself, since this is multiplied 3 times x, to move this 3 on this side, you need to do the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So what you need to do here is you divide 3 on both sides. Why do you do that? So that you could cancel out this 3 on this side, so you could leave the x alone here. And you divide the 6 by the 3. So now is x equals 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is now simple. It's just 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay, so then when you could plug it back in to verify. So 3 times your x, which is 2, is equal to 6. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And when checking it, it does make sense, and it's true, it's accurate. So that's for one-step equations. So now let's try two-step equation now. Now for two-step equations, the reason why it's two-step is now before you only had the number and the variable equals to the product that you have here, a number that you have here. But now here there's something different. Now you have more information. Now you have a number times a variable, unknown variable, plus another number 12 equals the answer. Right? We still have to find the unknown variable, but before we could get to this, we need to move this to the other side. So we have an addition symbol here, operation. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I have to subtract 12 on both sides in order for me to leave the x by itself. So you do it piece by piece. So I cross out the 12, and 36 minus 12 is 24. Okay? I'll bring down this 3x now. So now you do what you did in the first problem. So since it's 3 times x equals 24, you multiply. The opposite of multiplication is division. So you have to divide both sides by 3 in order to leave the x alone. Okay? I'll bring this over here now. So 24, x is equal to 24 divided by 3. And 24 divided by 3 is simply x equals 8. Now you could double check your answer to make sure that you're in the right path. So let's check it out. So let's write it here. So 3 times 8 plus 12 is equal to 36. When you do the math, it makes sense. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 12 does gives us back 36. So basically, it takes a lot of practice. You have to practice this over and over again to get better. Math, you have to work with it and be patient with it. Okay, so that's it for this moment. And remember, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.